My cup's in the way. I did.
Is it still in the cup? Is it still in the way?
No, but I got that guy back there. See how hot it is? Are you gonna put this on Facebook? Michaela's really missing this.
You still videotaping?
Yeah. He's gonna cook you some eggs, Ralph. Don't scoop back. Huh? Nah. It won't hurt you. It doesn't come nowhere near you.
Huh?
It doesn't come nowhere near you. Until he starts throwing the food at you. Until he starts throwing the food at you. They make such a mess. It might be good. Eat it. Josh said it's hot though. So this is your first time being here?
Like, no, I've been here before, but like it was with one of my friends, and we were like sitting, we weren't over here.
Oh.
We were like at the like normal thing.
Michaela is really missing out. She's gonna be so mad Monday. We should rub it in. We should rub it in.
This is what you missed. Make her watch the whole video.
You should put this on Facebook.
I am.
They're gonna hear us talking in the background.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube as well.
It's already at the 4 minutes.
You got rice.
Yeah.
Not male rice.
You can't eat it yet.
I know. My brother's sitting there talking about you. Wait, what can I eat?
Because you have to wait for the rest of it.
That's not it?
No, you still have to get your steak, don't you?
Oh, yeah. That's fish.
It's
No, I had
chicken?
steak and fish.
Yeah.
I had steak and filet. You had steak and fish.
Look at the vegetables. Don't it look so cute? I like vegetables.
I'm nervous now because I don't want to get food soda.
Because you don't what?
I don't want to get food soda.
I'll throw the vegetables at you.
Huh?
I'll throw the vegetables at you.
I'm going to try.
Look, there's your steak.
What about them?
He's going to make a volcano out of it.
That's going to be what? Awesome. Fish. Okay, that's
Look at how fast it cooks.
Huh?
Look at how fast it cooks. I'd like one of those in my house.
What's the darkest one?
Well done.
Well done. Thank you. I don't eat steaks. I don't know how that's fair. Laughing at you.
I'll laugh at you all I want. Ha ha ha.
Don't get hurt.
You get hungry, ain't you?
No.
Yeah, you are.
I'm just tired.
Sure.
I really am. And I still gotta drive you home, so.
Can you hand me my drink? Please. Thank you.
You do one meal at a time.
No, I'm doing it all at one time.
I'm saying he does one. Does he do it like one at a time?
No, he cooks it all together. Just like he did the rice. Like that guy over there, he ordered steak, she ordered steak, he ordered steak, you ordered steak.
Did you order steak?
No, I ordered chicken.
You gotta be the nerd.
I like bak.
What?
I like bak.
What's that?
Or cock-a-doodle-doos, whatever they are. Everybody's gonna know it's me in this video. They're gonna know just by my giggle.
Because I'm gonna tag y'all in it anyway.
Hey Josh. Hey there, Josh is in it now. There's your steak.
Sweet steak.
You gonna let me get a piece of your steak?
Sure. You want a piece, bro?
I haven't ate steak like the whole time I had my braces on. I didn't eat steak.
I haven't eaten steak in 15 years.
Really?
I don't eat steak.
Look, he's gonna do the volcano. Watch it.
You gonna do what?
The volcano. Look. This is my favorite part.
They say that.
Just watch it.
This is fun.
I'm glad I got to come.
I'm not even gonna want to eat this after I'm done just because it was so good.
Do what?
I'm not even gonna want to eat this after you tell me. I'm gonna be like, dang. What? I'm not going to eat this after I'm done. Just from watching. From watching, I'm not going to be.
It looks so cool, like how they cook it.
We should have just gone to a show.
We get a show and dinner. He said we should have just gone to a show. I think so. Is that chicken? Is that right there? Yeah. That's what I thought.
I thought it was like fish.
I did too.
Josh, how do you want yours? How do you want yours?
You got yours well done.
Very well.
Yeah. His is gonna have like a little bit of pink in it.
I want a little bit of pink. I'll eat school food.
You already do.
Exactly.
You eat that chicken sandwich.
Exactly.
Nasty chicken sandwich. You can have my shrimp. You can have my shrimp. I don't eat shrimp.
I don't eat that.
Oh.
What else I got?
I don't know. Fish. And maybe it is chicken.
I think
Filet means... Hey, Josh. Filet means fish, right? It doesn't?
It's filet, no, it's steak.
So what is it?
He orders steak and filet. I don't know. I'm confused.
I swear I think, what a steak. You know how I did bread? I didn't order steak. I think I ordered steak. Wait. I didn't order steak. Why you asked me well done?
Filet is steak. You ordered chicken and filet. That's chicken and steak. It's just a different type of steak.
Shut up. Shut up. 12 minutes.
13.
I got a lot of room. Huh?
13.
I'm glad I got a lot of room on that.
Now you know you're going to get more than that. You know you want to eat it.
I really do.
Go ahead and take a bite of it. You know you want it. That's what I want right there.
I'm gonna wait.